Vybz Kartel, literally, Vybz Kartel make a song for you. Vybz Kartel put you in a whole entire video. Vybz Kartel pay you. Cause me know it not free. Him pay you for then a music video and him pay you for promote the song. Now, Skillibeng made a song about me. Skillibeng added me to his live. That's something Kartel should have done with you, but it looked like the ratings not too high. Kartel got live in a jail multiple times and had Russian. Him sing song boy, but him never turn on a live and had you do. There are levels, baby. There are levels to this thing, okay? There are levels. Now, Skillibeng sing him song. Post me multiple times on story. Add me to him live. Video I come shortly. And you call me, come on and so what that make you when Kartel did that with? What the difference? It's back to what I was saying. So look, girl, you have some dirty art. What? Can't do bare things. You have some dirty art. And you're bad mind. Because money we girl are making a 3 day, 1 week, you make that in a month.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete, minute up on a beat, and as you can see on the screen, yeah, the Jamaican porn stars are going at it. My people putting out the comment section what you think about that, because it's like a man of him shop on a block. You see me, I say, and a new, umbrella forward, and I set up shop across the street. You see me, I say, making competition steep. So it look like Mystikal Menace is upset that Ivany come on Twitter and the whole F thing for take over the game. You see me, I say, because you don't know how internet sensation go on. You see me, I say, real trending queen, but as you can see, Vybz Kartel and Skillibeng get brought up into the mix because there's levels to this. So let's hear what go on from what I go on, because you know these girls were somewhat friends. Yeah, remember she, Michi, Ivany, Michi, and Mystikal did a par with each other one time in Florida and thing. You see my son.
I gotta feed my dog and then get some. No, she passed. No, she too bright. Like, she passed enough and she reach our bright stage. Like, you're too out of that. Girl, you really want combo people? I know why ugly girls always want to argue with pretty girls. I just can't see why an ugly bitch want to argue with a pretty bitch. I don't know if a cocky make her mouth sound heavy. Because the way she have fuck out her mouth like the world are going to end tomorrow. She just have fuck out her throat and her body and her mouth. Every old pan them they girl they don't know what to know. Ah shit, fucking bro. Oh my god, I hate to hit my head up, y'all. God damn. The only job them the girl they have to sell them most, you know. Them not have choices like me, like them not have choices like TikTok, they not have choices like YouTube, like Onlyfans, can go to music, can go dance. The only chance I'm have to sell them their front. We could talk about it. Make we talk about it. How do I set this shit? So, first thing, Mystikal. This is how you greet new workers. I saw every time somebody come working on a business shop, I saw to greet them. But yeah, guys, back to what I was saying. So look, Girl, you have some dirty art. What? Can't do weird things. You have some dirty art. And you're bad mind. Because money where girl are making a 3 day, 1 week, you make that in a month. You have to... I don't understand when... Oh, is Mystikal for Ivany coming as? If Mystikal even up on my levels? You gonna say me could compete with you. You're right. Cause now one bag of different stranger demon living in my pussy. I me never used to have a fuck man like fuck down me wall and my body wall and my pussy wall for get money. Over TikTok me there big taps and roses. Money where you're making an hour per video call a day. Money where you make for video call how much days and week. Make that in an hour per TikTok or less than an hour per TikTok. Me never have to fuck up my body wall. Forget 3,000, 4,000. You could have said back then in Jamaica, back, long time. I'm going to use I can't ever come right now, because I know. I never have to fuck up my body wall, I'm a front wall, I'm a short back, for now look at thousands. I'm going to just sit down looking pretty on Instagram and filter down and get thousands. That's it. That is it. I don't know what kind of levels you talk about Vanya coming as. Mystikal, who know you? Nobody know you but Kartel. Who know you? People out there were bigger than all Kartel know me. Nobody know you. The whole Jamaica don't even know you. The old, the young, the newborn know who is Ivany, regardless of what them want to know me for. I can't tell us a majority of picnic where you're 12, 6 years old, 5 years old. All the little baby them just bad know me. Nobody know you. The other people them know you look a teenager, them will come see a fuck out your throat back what they are. And baby, let me address this. Come in and if I show you they get a look at 20,000 views over Instagram, you feel like you is the goat. Been there, done that. Hello? And if we did for add views to views, baby, you know them on my levels. What day you just get 20,000 views first in history on Instagram? Vany been there, done that. And where you did when me did a fuck man on Facebook Live? And get too much 30 odd views on Facebook them time them. Where did I when me did a Jamaica tech girl page? And I clocked 20 odd thousand views per Instagram. You can't even win a competition with me with the media. So homies are commoners. And then you're so stupid. When you talk, it don't even make sense, girl. Vybz Kartel, literally, Vybz Kartel make a song for you. Vybz Kartel put you in a whole entire video. Vybz Kartel pay you. Cause me know it not free. Him pay you for then a music video and him pay you for promote the song and the things them, which is fine. How you block people on this? Okay, let me see. Block. Ooh, bye. And you're still watching. Okay, how block you too? Block. Ooh. Oh, block the bitch, y'all. Y'all, I blocked the bitch. I blocked the bitch, y'all. Hold on. I'm blocking these hoes. Yes. I'm blocking these hoes. Who told y'all to let me know? I'm blocking these hoes. Now, what I was going to say. Vybz Kartel pay you. Vybz Kartel have you in his whole entire video. And all of this. Now, Skillibeng made a song about me. Skillibeng added me to his live. That's something Kartel should have done with you, but it looked like the ratings not too high. Kartel got live in a jail multiple times and had Russian. Him sing song boy, but him never turn on a live and add your door. There are levels, baby. There are levels to this thing, okay? There are levels. Now, Skillibeng sing him song. Post me multiple times on story. Add me to him live. Video I come shortly. And you call me come on, so what that make you when Kartel did that way? What the difference? Skilly do the same thing. Kartel do the same thing. What is the difference? So that means say y'all come on as too. Nicki Minaj know them. Nicki Minaj don't know them. What that makes you? Aren't you a commoners too? You gonna say now go on live go dash out for the look $500. I want money too much. When is money too much? When is the money too much? Mystikal, we all know see you tell your friend for call you and act like a people are call you upon live. Come on. You upon your live. I do alright, first thing first, me there stuff. And my phone ring. First thing when I put it on speaker because I don't know who it is. So I'm not gonna say, hold on guys, somebody a call me. Boop, put it on speaker, you just start talk. So just like that. Whatever one of your customers them, or just like that. Me I go answer and just put it on my ears. And you tell a friend for call you act like says we did want you over. We never want you over there. Cause me never got up on live anyway, cause if you did come me gone. You did well want come to. But no, nobody never that spam you down. Honestly. Nobody never did that spam you down. Mystikal. Anybody can boom pan cock. Anybody can gaggle balls. Anybody can suck wood. Just give me a little time. I just come. Just give me a little time. I just come. Remember anything I put my mind to a goal. Remember, I'm multi-talented. Nobody think me can suck and fuck. And me a girl, me ever honey. Me never satisfied when me a fuck. Me could have just done fuck 3 hours and by me take a little 3-minute break and me that again. That's why I love take my little young boy them because them love fuck. Them, that's why I love all the man me have now. Because I'm honey like I mean can't. So him fuck so him ready and him would never dead. For him would never dead. So give me a little time, I shy. Give me a little time for kind of get out of my character. Because I don't know what you say is a goat. Goat for what? Because the only thing I see I do a gaggle bars and bump and wood. Nothing else. And I pay a look and I post up boy, you just do your nails for $100. Baby love my nail take a 300, 250 up. Every time I hear the pan about top, but them girl I can't walk in my shoes because my nails are $100. And baby love my nails is 250 and up. Hello? Your nails are 100, fine, mine are 250. I can post what it to, but why would somebody even post how much you do them nails? What kind of hype you can get out of that? Mystikal, remember say no. Remember say they on Onlyfans and it take you all 3 months, 2 months for even reaching the top 0.50 something or 0.40 or 0.13. You're still stuck at the bottom, can't move. I just don't understand why I just come on live and just start cuss people so. Okay. Use a bigger meat for suck wood and bump and wood, but me a bigger meat with customer. I that if I talk about. Because bad to bad, I'm hear you talk say, oh, I choose she new, so baby. Never hear Savannah flap. Me say no matter how the Obia man could have strong like heaven doors. I never can't say me now, you know. But you have to go come good. Me never hear say me flap yet. Never in a history. All in a jail me still trending. I don't know if that's for both, but all in a jail me still trending. You probably be the mish for so good and that's why the man shot you. Cause you fuck too much. You fuck like you're blind. Every man be a dirty demon living out that the pussy there. You did have to rest it. Me that give you a little time. You go fuck the man. With a Pornstar man the name. You just fucky. You run go fuck that the man there and catch disease. And you come talk about I'm not fucking anymore. And I'm not this and I'm going to females. Wanna be careful of Mystikal. Mystikal I walk a shot girl and shot man. She a walk a shot them with the Mac 1119. Something name, something I don't know. She go fuck Gucci and get infection in her hole. Gucci is sick. The girl it expose him and him come on live and I like him. I either to attack Wayne or from Wayne of have a Mystikal go fuck him rah. And as Mystikal done fuck the man, Mystikal post and say she nah do no more collab with nobody because the man shot her and alcohol. Yeah? Him get herpes. You think some Mystikal like just put on fucking so rich pa. Them only pretend. She not rich a blood clot. Them a pretend that, wow, I'm so pretty, y'all. I'm so pretty. She not rich. The man them pan, what is me pan? Whatever. The man them with the over here. Buy the pussy pan the camera. Cause she will wipe out her hole. Before she make video phone or edit it and something them say, nah, go see say sick. Don't meet her up nowhere and fuck her cause she walk with beer in first she go fuck the man Gucci. You know see? You ever hear about Mystikal now sell fuck yet and that is our first name fuck, selling fuck? Huh? If you don't see me a collab with the next man, God strike me right so. Me? If you ever see me a collab with my man would be my man I walk with a blood clot almost 10-inch cock. If you ever see me boy me a collab with a man or a girl, me need a what me a collab with people for and I me have a swing. Who tired for say, who wants to and I really think people them going tired of me over here because baby love me have me a girl we multi-talented, me a girl we born natural funny, we only know for skin out on the whole and that's it. No else than I bring to the table over here but skin out your hole. The man walk and shot you. Me a wait on her for post a recent. What name? Doctor, whatever, we should ever post up so she not an infection. I could see a post the recent. Because you could just greet your co-worker. I'm new, girl, greet me. That's how you greet people. If you come on TikTok and start playing match with that greet you, you know? But you come over here, I'm come over here, you're going like the upper feel. I'm the one you gag up on my wood, because you're an ugly fucker. You look like Shirley Duppy. Mystikal, ugly for your young girl with her big dentures them in her mouth. You did just one piece of look of fame. I say, guys, it's a planting for the girl sell local video. What's her page? I don't remember block you. It's a planting for just get look of followers. She could see the light pass somebody over here and just say, alright, mama go on it herself. You come and call people commoners. Who commoners like you? Cause from the day you go on live go fuck with you. You're back from you. From the day you go fuck on Instagram live. Me not hear no trendy and go on boy you. Me not hear no trendy and go on boy you. Them people that come like them, you just fall off I board so. And then you go fuck Gucci and him shot you. You rest, you can't see. Like him pay you $1 million and shot your blood clot. And you just can't see. You don't know who tell you say yes this king. King or what? You're not even fucking Jamaican, girl. You're not even Jamaican. You wanna be Jamaican. Your mother Jamaica. You're not Jamaica. Yeah, your mother said, Vani, stop it though. Okay, I won't talk about her. Ooh, yeah, I had to catch myself just now. Let's not involve the elders. Let's not involve the elders. Don't ask me nothing. Who asks you anything? Mr. Call me a pretty girl feel and look for me. With or without filter. That alone make you could size up. You hear? When gala suck manhood, you feel pretty. I wear hood there. Because I want to show you something like that. When gala suck manhood, you feel pretty car. You feel have pretty sparkly eyes pan hood. Like you would in our room. You feel have pretty eyes pan hood. And when you suck it and look up your eyes, supposed to sparks, pretty face. The man now want to look up in a blood clot, wrong turn face. He is a ugly little young girl. And you walk and make trouble. So that are the first thing of can't compete with me. First thing you do look good, you're hard to look upon. And you're annoyed, you have a piece of twanging vice. Them. I don't know if you're a Guyanese or what blood clot country you come from. But you sound like you're having some heavy dentures in your mouth. And my back door closed. Everyone at your door them open up. So that make it worse. You can't compete with me. Your ears will open up, your nose will open up, your mouth open up, your pussy will open up, your body will open up. Everyone open up. Kiss my teeth. I'ma block you. Hold on. Block. Ooh! I block you. I block you, y'all. I block that bitch. She's from Antigua. Why she never sell pussy at Antigua? Why she never continue to sell pussy at Antigua? I know she come back for me, I'm not answer. Cause a little followers you want and a little fame. See, they go on back from Kartel drop you. I love him, no member boy. You. From Kartel drop you. Him no member you. She could have come for me, I'm not answer. She told a little bit of bad mind for you. Cause be honest, y'all. Did y'all hear I say anything bad about that girl? Ever since I come over here? Be real. You ever hear me say, no, I haven't said anything bad about her. The only thing I said was, look up to you. What did I point you for look up to? Because I don't see which, furthermore, no make no girl make no feel like them more down in a bedroom. It's same way a girl suck dick, it's same way you suck dick. If you see a girl a suck good and she a choke, all you need to do is push you with look further down your throat and you choke too. You hear?
A squash we say open at them town. Vybz Kartel we say top shatters is back. Anyway, people are gone, me gone, you know. Bless.